Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a special order unboxing of the latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, wow, I am really excited about this purchase, and I'm gonna go ahead and preference it by saying that in October, my husband and I went to Dallas, and I did several videos based on that one trip that I have already posted to YouTube. But I was in the hunt for this item here, and I couldn't find it in mall in Dallas, and I didn't find what I was looking for. In fact, they told me that it was back ordered several months, and I'm going to show you all what I bought, and I go through the process of how I ordered this item, and then we'll get to the unboxing. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and take you all through the process of ordering my mini pochette. And as you can see here, they have different designs where you can put the striping, and it was really fun to go through the process of the variations that they offer and the different colors. Now you can select up to 2 colors. You pick your first color first, and then you can go on to the next tab and select your second color. So I was really disappointed that they didn't have the rose ballerine, because as you may or may not know, I do like to match my pieces just so that I can use them together. But I thought with this purchase, I kind of would go a little bit outside of the box and get something that I don't already have, only because I see this being a forever piece for me. I want to keep this and not see it as an investment piece, just as a treasured piece per se. And if I ever had to get rid of my other Louis Vuittons, I would want to keep this as a momentum for me. I really thought it was also good that I could pick the interior of the purse. So that was a great attribute to ordering it and personalizing it. And it didn't take very long just to go through the process of doing the various designs and picking the colors. And I chose to put my initials on mine. You could put it with or without dots, and you could invert the colors. So I chose just to put my initials without dots and invert the colors. And it said that it was going to take about 8 weeks to process my order once I submitted it. But I wasn't sure if that's how long it would take or not. But I submitted my order October 17th, so I will see how long it takes to actually get the actual purse. But I really like the different variations. I like that I could visually see what my item would look like before I actually place my order. And I really liked going through the process of playing with the various colors, choosing them, putting initials, trying to decide if I wanted to use 2 or 3, because you can use up to 3 initials. And really, I only have 2 if I didn't use my maiden name. But I just decided to go with just IR and not try to put the other 3rd initial in there. And like I said, all you do is submit your order online, go through the payment process, and place your order and wait. and I waited a long time before I received my item, and they were really good at making sure that I got my item. They required a signature before they would release the package, and so I was just felt really secure about doing this online. Normally I like to go into the store and see the item for myself just to make sure, but the process was fairly easy. I know here you can see that the system kind of glitched a little bit, but for the most part it was the easiest process that I have ever gone through. You know, just selecting the different styles. And this little purse I saw briefly at a resale shop and really decided that it was something that I would be interested in, especially since I currently carry 2 sets of keys with me, and I really want to be able to put those in a single purse. And also I want to be able to carry my lipsticks together with those keys and be able to put it in various bags and not feel like I have to pack and unpack my purse every single time just when I want to switch purses. But I was really excited to receive this item, and I will get to the unboxing portion of the video when I receive it. I did pre-record this part, and so I will let you know exactly when I get it and how long it took. And again, this piece is $490, so just under $500. So anyway, we shall wait and see how long it actually takes to receive the item. Okay, without trying to show my address, this is how this came, and I thought this was really strange because it seems like that could have just opened, and then this side, the flap was just down like that. So I thought that was really weird. I don't know, I guess just somebody just, look how easy that tape just came off. So yeah, kind of strange. Okay, so I received my little order today. It took, let me see, I ordered it October 17th, and it took about a month and a few days. Yeah, because today's the 23rd. So it came in that little box, like I said, and it wasn't taped very well, so I'm kind of thankful it didn't fall out. But this is just the receipt and the paperwork, and I had never seen I'm used to it being blue, so I've never seen this in like a red. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And then let me see what's in this little envelope. That is so cute. Well, it's stuck really good. Okay, well, all that trouble and it was nothing. It's just a blank card. I don't know why they put that in there in this envelope that was also hard to get open. But anyway, I thought that was really cute. I guess typically they put their business card on there, but since I ordered it online, I guess nobody could take credit for it. So it's a tight squeeze getting it out. Okay, so here's this little bag, which I'm not sure what's in that. That is so cute. And then here is what I ordered. So I'm curious to know what's in this. Probably just little samples of something. Yeah, it's just little samples of their perfume, which they've given me little samples before, and I don't know, I don't really care for the scents of Louis Vuitton. But that little bag is cute. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay, let's see what it looks like. It's so little. So I opted to go ahead and put my initials on there. I know a lot of people don't like to because in case they want to resell it, but this item was just under $500, so I can see this being a forever piece for me. Oh, I didn't know it was in the back too. Wow, that's cute. And you know, it's really bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I think I kind of thought it would be a little bit smaller. And so I wanted to put it in my cherry wood, and I even wonder if my phone would fit in there. So that is what I bought. And this is like hot pressed in there, I guess, because it doesn't feel lifted or anything. It feels the same as the LV. So I put the two colors together on there. Okay, so what I ordered was the mini pochette in the monogram. And I already went through the unboxing and taking it out of the box, and wow, I'm glad it made it, because that box looked like it was about to come unraveled. But here it is, and I am just so happy about it. This item is really hard to find, and you can special order it, as I showed you all how I ordered it. And I got it in the Bordeaux and the Arbois, and in the monogram, and then of course I put my initials on it. But it is the cutest little purse. I cannot fit my phone in it. I have the iPhone 10 Max and it will not fit in there. But the main purpose that I bought this was to carry it in my other purses for my keys and my lipsticks and those type of items. And so in another video, I will show you what I plan to put in this, and also how it fits into my cherry wood and my Kaisa clutch. And you know, this little purse could easily just be used on its own, but you could, you know, clip it. Has the ring, so you can clip it onto any item. And you could also use it as a date night purse, and you know, it easily fits on my arm. I don't see myself wearing it like that, but you can definitely put it on your arm, and or just carry it like this, or on your, you know, arm like that, or just as a little clutch as well. So I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I don't have these colors in my collection, so I definitely wanted to get something different. I know I'm always matchy, but I really felt like I could use this little purse on its own when I go shopping. And you know, you have to be really careful when you go shopping, because you know, your purse can get easily stolen. So it's nice to have something small that you can just, you know, hold on to, and you don't have to worry about it going missing. So let me go ahead and show you all the inside, and that's what it looks like. And you know, again, if I will show you all in a different video what I plan to put in it, and how it fits inside of my other bags. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.